Assalamu alaikum, Hazur.
So,
The first questioner is Mr. Chris Cheel, who is an English teacher of religion at Southfields Community College. Mr. Chris Cheel. It's a long question. How should we respond to the issue of research into human DNA, for example, the Human Genome Project? Are we, as a species, right to embark on efforts to make genetic modification? Is there a specific line we should not cross, or are we to believe that the effort of the scientists can benefit humanity?
I think this question should be answered in parts. You better remind me which part is left out, unfortunately. First of all, about the genetic engineering, I must quote the Holy Quran first, which speaks of so many other scientific discoveries of the future, but with no warning at all, except for genetic engineering. The Holy Quran clearly speaks that Satan will induce people to create new life on earth against the life of Allah. So there is a grave warning that this effort will kick back. So about the genetic engineering, I always advise Ahmadi genetic engineers that they could participate in it only as much as it promotes the creation of God. But when it is turned against the creation of God, in the sense, for instance, that when attempt is made to create new animals and bugs, etc., then that would be a disservice to humanity. It will kick back in the long end, and it may destroy their own creators, what they create. So that much is for the genetic engineering. And the next question, next part of the question, please.
It started with how should we respond, and then is there a specific line we should not cross?
I think I have already answered this question. I always advise Ahmadi genetic engineers to utilize their knowledge only to promote the creation of God. For instance, if new crops can be invented with the help of genetic engineering, and that is a dire need of the humanity today, although there are many objections raised against genetically produced food, but still it's not against the law of God. So it's a matter to be discussed between scientists of one class and one category and the scientists of the others. So I personally don't like genetically produced food. So it's all forbidden in the house. But still, it's not a sin to use it. That much I can say.